condition. You join me, one condition is do not lose money. Because nowadays, in order to make money, it's not easy. Okay? So, how much is capital can be as small as 450 ringgit only. Okay? So, for today, it's absolutely free. Okay? Zero. Okay, let me start. This is called a spot trading. Spot trading is what? Okay, a lot of you might heard the word called forex. A lot of friends about forex. Some of them also tell you forex is a scam. Right? Forex is no good, right? So this is not. This is called a spot trading. Spot trading is actually higher than forex. Forex, the definition is called foreign exchange. Means exchange to currency. Right? For example, when you go to money changer in Malaysia, you get the US dollar. That is called forex. Right? Then of course, there's going to be a spread, a certain commission they charge you. So spot trading actually consists of a field investment. It's not just currency. Later I'll explain to you. And then it's a leverage investment method to increase 95% accuracy in spot trading. What does it mean by 95% accuracy? Means that if you use my method correctly, out of 100 times you trade, you get 95% accuracy. Okay. And later I'll show you my live example, live account, which is my account and my daughter account. By the way, my daughter, her name is called Manchi. Okay. So another slogan is what? Be your own fund manager for investment. Okay? Be your own fund manager for your investment profile. First of all, I believe a lot of you is doing investment. With and without you aware you are doing investment. For example, you put money in a saving account, actually you invest in bank. In return, bank gives 1%, 1,000%. Subsequently, you can put money in a fixed deposit. This is the investment, is also investment. You put a share market, you buy property, hopefully the value will go up. Especially you all as a Railway members, a lot of you buy 7 plus 6, 7 plus 3, what is that? Also investment. Because why? You buy for lower value, you sell at higher price. So, as an investment is called you buy low, you sell high. As long as that is the gap of the difference of the price, then you make a profit. Okay, first of all, my company is called Starfish Academy. Starfish Academy is to help those who love to practice the concept of passive income. I believe some of you is to remember, you must understand what's called passive income. Passive income is you are not doing anything, money comes to you by total investment. Or what is the opposite of passive income? It's called active income. Or for those who is working for a company who is running a business as a boss, that is called an active income. So here I'm talking about passive income. Passive income, where you put the money, you wait for the value to increase, then you get income. Or some other example, even a rental income is called passive income. You invest in a property, also a passive income. So Starfish has utilized the concept of spot trading as a way of investment in the foreign currency, cryptocurrency, commodity, world index, and world blue chips. Just now I mentioned the word spot trading. Spot trading is not solely on the currency, okay? It consists of 5 major categories in the world. This one I'm talking about is a worldwide recognized program. It's not talking about a Jack create this program. No, it's a worldwide recognized.
So this spot trading is the international term or your term?
No, it's international term. It's just higher level. So for a lot of you heard of forex. Actually, forex is just one part of this spot trading. Okay, in the concept of spot trading, we'll show you not just the way to make passive income via spot trading, but also the failure in losing your valuable money. Means what? You must understand, whenever you talk about investment, that doesn't guarantee you make money. No. You will lose money if your knowledge is not strong enough. Agree now? Like for example, people buy property, why they fail? They buy wrong spot. Orang lain ini. Correct now? So, in order to do investment, first thing you must invest is what? In your own brain. You must know everything, values, only then do the investment. So, to reduce the chances of failure. So, I'll show you how to lose money if you trade wrongly also. So, after knowing how to lose money, I'll teach you how to make money. Okay, with Starfish Academy, we'll teach you how to fish rather than feed you with fish. What does it mean? If today I trade for all of you, give me money, I trade for all of you. Right? So, it means I'm feeding you the fish. Every day you got the fish, you eat the fish. If one day Jeff not around, everything gone. Correct? So here my purpose is I want to teach you all how to fish. So you know how to fish with or without me. Starfish can give you 100% money guaranteed back in the trading cost does not give you profitable trading result. It means what? If you follow my method 100%, guarantee 100% winning strategy. Okay? So, if for those who take the course, okay, here absolutely free. For those who say in the future they take courses, I will 100% refund them the money if they follow my method and they lose money. Starfish Academy does not only give you guaranteed passive income but also provide you a health solution in life. Okay, so let's say this is a session that you and you all want to join. After the meeting, we go to the gym, get a health also. I jog, I can stay back. After you sit back, finish this one, we go exercise. Why? Because we must understand. Is it wealth is everything in our life? No. Wealth must come with health. Agree now? So wealth must come with health. So we all for my Starfish, there are three things actually, not two things, three things I focus. Wealth, health, and charity. So later I'll show you what called charity also. Lastly, together with the power of compounding is very important. Compounding interest is one of the 7 wonders. I didn't know where it was about. Compounding and teamwork will generate a consistent group effort in charity. Okay, first of all, how in our daily life we make income? There are only 4 ways. First, we find employment. A lot of you have been working for a company before. Have been working for international company, go to overseas, have all the country, trading also, job also, employment. Okay, so those are one of the ways we make money. Unfortunately, employment is this. When you're getting older, you're getting more expensive, economy is back, sorry, we will be the first one to retrench. So this is called active income, risk is there. Second, employer. I was an employer. I invest $1 million for business. When the market crash, everything gone. So it's also one type of active income. Third type is multi-level marketing, which is like eBay, Amway, it's multi-level, bring you income. The fourth one is called investment. This is the platform to talk about investment. Of course, others, bullshit. Talk about selling drugs, private all these things. It's not a very legal income. So talk about legal income, there are only 4 ways in our life. Means that any one of us must involve one of it. Otherwise, we have zero income. Okay, what is investment? Investment simply, make it layman term. It's called you buy low and close high. Agree now? Today you buy a property, 500,000, and you sell at 800,000. You buy low, sell high. Why you buy this property? Because you foresee. I think my friend told me, market told me, 500 is a good price. You buy, keep for the value, go increase, then you close it. So it's called buy low, sell high. So in order to do a good investment, you must have a few requirements. First, called knowledge. You must understand what called property. That's called understand what called stock trading. Experience, money, capital, money and risk management. You must know how to handle your money. Like for example, now you have 500,000. Can you afford to buy a $500,000 property cash? Risk, right? Because you know what happens to somebody, I need the money. And you know selling a property is not easy. Right, so that is called not a money risk, a money management. For example, a multi-million dollar. You buy property 500,000. Do you feel any pressure? No, leave it there. If the price goes down $1, who cares? So this one called a risk management, risk and money management. In stock trading also, we will show you what called risk and money management. Attitude. When you treat this investment, you must have a passion. Patient actually a passion also. For example, you want to buy property. Oh, I have money, tomorrow find a property and just buy it. No, you must be patient, ask around, survey around, study around. Oh my God, that is the one that 100%. Because fulfill a lot of value information, so only then you buy. So you must have a patient also. Of course, lastly, you must have a strategy. Your multi-million is to put everywhere, money everywhere. But again, will it exhaust your multi-million dollar? Yes, it will. So here, we will also show you how to do a proper strategy to invest your money. Okay. Again, what is spot trading? Spot trading is a worldwide recognized program, which involves in these 5 things. Foreign exchange. Foreign exchange means you trade the currency. Malaysia ringgit versus USD, Euro versus USD, Great Britain versus Euro. Okay. So of course here, what I'm referring is the world major currency. Okay, I'm not talking about Malaysia ringgit bullshit. This Malaysia ringgit can be collected anytime. But here I'm referring to those 7 major in the world. For example, Europe, USD, Great Britain, New Zealand, Australia, Canada, and Swiss. Okay, so these are the top 7. Why is it top 7? Because if one of the currency collapse, the whole world economy collapse. So it assure one thing, it won't collapse. Right? Of course, second thing is, what is currency? Because country, they trade, they do trading, right? So they must have a rate of moving. Right? So first of all, we can assure that this currency won't collapse. So it given a safety. You buy a company, let's say like a Citibank. As I remember, Citibank also might collapse also. So currency, it won't collapse. It buys 7 major. Second thing, we talk about worldwide blue chips: Microsoft, Amazon, Alibaba, Facebook. I think a lot of you heard of this company, right? Facebook. Every one of you must use it on Facebook except my Alibaba, Siri. Right. Think of it, okay? All this while, Wilson asked me, Jeff, can you buy the share? Why? To him, he said, it's impossible. I'm in Malaysia. Microsoft in US. I don't have the money to buy it. I don't have money also. I don't know how to buy the US Microsoft share. Secondly, you know what is called Microsoft now? Microsoft is 187 ringgit US dollar. Equal to one lot, to buy one lot of Microsoft is 187,000 US dollar. That's why people say, how to buy? Can't hold on. Yeah. I know it's a good share, but I cannot buy. I don't have this money. Another incredible share is called Amazon. Amazon is, as of yesterday, was 2,152. Equal to one lot is 2.1 million. Okay, so all these share people think that, oh, I know it's a good company, but I don't have the money, I don't know how. But here's what trading can teach you how to even buy a Microsoft with US dollar, 100 US dollar, which is equal to Malaysian ringgit 450 only. Now, if I tell you can buy Amazon, Facebook, right, Alibaba, all this is merely only ringgit 450. Now they trigger your interest. Why not? Because you must understand, when you buy this share, you are not investing in you. You want to run a company, you are confident, you success the business? No. Jeff? No. But do you believe the world richest people, Bill Gates, Jack Ma, all this to us is a super idol. So this one also can trade, spot trading. Third one, gold index, Nasdaq, Dow Jones, Hang Seng, Nikkei, in Malaysia called KYC. Malaysia, don't touch. Okay? This one I will also show you. Fourth thing is commodity, gold, oil, crude oil, all this commodity. The last one is called cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum. Right? So, at the spot trading, you can trade 5, it's not 1. Okay. Why investment blue chips, right? For example, you look at this is the chart of Microsoft, McDonald's, Amazon. Even though you never seen this graph before, but you notice one thing or not? The price is up or down? Up, right? If that time, right? When during this is 19, sorry, this is 5 years ago. And this is why you think it's expensive. Now more expensive. You think today is expensive, but next year it's more expensive. Why? Because these are the giant. Right? When you want to do investment, you must know who are these Microsoft. PC using Microsoft. Even this is Microsoft. Can we live without Microsoft? No. Apple the market talk about less than 20%. So 80% of the worldwide, right? It's not about Malaysia, it's about US, worldwide, it's about using Microsoft. And this company is doing what? One software, one operating system. So what do I do with this company collapse? Think of it. If cannot, right? Is it a good company to invest? What you need to do? You just put your money in the share. You become the shareholder. Right? Another one, McDonald's. Who doesn't eat McDonald's here? If you don't eat also, your daughter will eat, your son will eat McDonald's. So whatever McDonald's is there, when McDonald's open a branch, they do how much study? Right? Okay, of population is study, so they make sure they need money. Last one is Amazon. Look at the delivery chart. And think of it, you want money involved. Have you ever thought of, IBM share, right? If 30 years ago you buy one IBM share, one lot, as of today you are multi-millionaire. You believe it or not? Why? You go, the price go up, you split. One become 2. Then go back, split 4. 8, 16, 32 compounding. So 30 years ago, one IBM equal to nowadays $1 million, more than 1 million. Okay, so let's talk about the blue chips. Crude oil. Crude oil is commodity a bit risky. Again, I will show you also how to do it. Currency pair. Currency is fluctuating. So currency pair, you see a lot of this price is dropping. Right? When this price dropping, is it something similar to, for example, a property investment? Now you know. I think 2 years ago, property in Malaysia very high. People ask you to buy, sell, it's the wrong time to enter the market. But now it started moving down. Now today is the good time, might not be the good time yet. But let's say 10 million, 100 million, right? You start to collect. It is the word called collect. Start to shop around, cheap, cheap. You slowly and collect. So like currency, right? This one also it will form this kind of scenario, right? For us, actually, we know we call that support level. And for a price support level, right? So we know that hey, this is a good price to enter and collect and keep. Okay. So this is about currency. Of course, this is the index, Dow Jones and Nasdaq. This kind of share I will show you, but my advice do not touch. It's too high. Anytime can burst. Last one is called cryptocurrency. Very high risk. This one, you want to invest, also can teach you how. Very small capital, aim for everything. Because cryptocurrency in the future, the people talk about 100,000. And now it's what price? As of today, it's 9,000. 9,000 and 10,000, talk about 100,000. I mean, 1,000%. Right, how much you want to put? You want to invest? Hey Jeff, you want to invest Bitcoin? How much? 9,540 US dollar. No. How about again $100 US equal to Malaysian ringgit 450 only or 450? Okay, consider right. Okay, so in order to understand what is called spot trading, you must understand the word called leverage. In Chinese called 杠杆. In layman term means what? You don't have this much of money, but you can invest in this big thing. For example, this time we talk about Amazon. One lot is 2.1 million. But after you start, you get $100 to buy. So that is the concept of leverage. I can use a small amount of capital, but I can invest in a big thing, right, to grow with them. So you must understand the word called leverage. Okay, we want to come. What is MetaTrader 4? MetaTrader 4, if you go ahead you can install this MetaTrader 4. MetaTrader 4, how many years? Before online, even before online was started. So online now, up to the stage that you use handphone, you use your PC to trade. MetaTrader 4 is more than 20 years. So it's not the first time a new icon or I just create this. No. I don't have this knowledge, I don't have this money to create apps for MetaTrader 4. So what is MetaTrader 4? It's a worldwide application for business and individual to trade spot forex trading. And you wouldn't have. Last time I talk about you see in a so-called World Trade Center, people put money, I want to buy. That was all time. Now every one of us, including you and me, right? With the handphone, you can also trade. Okay. So MetaTrader can be synchronize your PC, iPad, and handphone. It's a 5 days, 24 hours trading platform. Okay. So means what? With this, right, you can trade 5 days a week, 24 hours a day. You inclusive cryptocurrency, right? Cryptocurrency is 7 days a week, 24 hours a day. So mean even now, I can trade also. I've got to observe one thing. But look at my price at the border. Because why? I'm doing investment, I'm not doing speculation. Okay, so transaction can be closed anytime depending on your trading desire. Means whenever you make money, you want to close can oh, sir. Right, how fast? Immediately. Within 1-2 seconds, you pop, you close. Right, want to buy, pop, you buy. So later I'll show you a live account. 1 hour to deposit and one working day to withdraw the bank into your account. Is it fast enough? Imagine you want to buy property. How long you want to sell this property? After that, you find a buyer, make sure that they get the bank loan. After that, they make sure you check the legal thing, the legal document. How many days? Long, right? Here, talk about 1 working day. Right. For those who want to verify that, she's the one. She has did it before. So, no. Okay, last thing, the record can show trading traded 10 years history record for trader to study. What does it mean by minimum 10 years? Means now we look at price of, this is not like Amazon, like Apple, like currency, like gold. Like look at today's transaction, no, you can look at 10 years, the price is up or down or flat. Right, so when you make decision, it actually has a basis. Gambling, no. You go to gambling casino, right? You can come up 100 times, red also can. And another 100 times, or black also can. But without any thinking, you can actually think and thought this will be right or wrong. But here, they give you all the history. So you're going to make a correct, a better, not correct, a better decision. Okay, so this is method trader 4. Okay, how to trade in spot trading. Like I said, it's a leverage investment whereby you can buy blue chips only with $100 or 450 ringgit. Okay. Be your own fund manager to control your own investment portfolio. This is very important. Some of you, I think most of you put the money in ETF. Anyone that put money in ETF? No, right? So what is the function of ETF? Ever thought of it? It's a group of all Malaysian citizens who work for as a boss. We contribute the money every month to this fund. It's called ETF fund. After that, the fund manager do what? They take our money, they buy share, they buy TNB, they buy property, they buy US bond, all this. So they create a portfolio of variety. So if the price goes up, so they distribute to you as a dividend. Agree now? Right. So this is a simple concept of fund manager. But according to our fund manager industry, mutual fund, anyone satisfied with the result? Ask John. Like me also, not just him. Last time we put our EPF money, we transfer to the mutual fund, right? Here are mutual, public mutual. Oh, these are the good. Oh, these are the fund manager. But they must be damn good. At the end, average, they give us a return of 1 year is what? Less than 2%. EPF gives us average 6.5. So each year we lose about 4.5% based on a few hundred thousand. And then calculate, shit, he earned less 100 over thousand just because of 4.5% different. So now, how I can teach you all your own fund manager? What happens if you buy money and buy Microsoft of it? You buy Amazon of it, you buy Facebook of it, you buy Google of it, all those top giant blue chips in the world. So you create one portfolio, right? And you see the price, the price went up like that. The minimum guarantee 24% a year. Minimum. Right? So now, instead of putting your money to let those ETF, those stupid fund manager who doesn't give you performance, now teach you to be your own fund manager. Right? Not like a marketer. Not like those what those kind of money game. Money game, you don't even know the owner. You don't know what the hell they invest. But we put our hard-earned money to them. Now I teach you, I show you how you can buy those worldwide the best company blue chips. Now make yourself your own fund manager. Okay, you can create wherever as long as online internet access. You can bring this handphone anywhere in the world as long as internet access. You can create. Isn't it awesome or not? Like today, I want to teach my office is where. My office is wherever I am. So today I select this as my office seminar. So when you trade, you can go anywhere. It's a simple proven investment method which set your price to enter and the price you can see minimum requirement is 3 minutes per day. Okay? What does it mean? Okay? Do a lot of people, some of your friends who trade forex, you notice one thing. Most of the time they look at handphone. Well, key level, you look level, key level, level. How do you listen or not? Nervous. I must close and look at. Don't talk to me. Okay, you wait. Okay, let me see my thing first. You wait. Right. That is called a wrong way. So the right way is what? Like for example, now you buy property. Now it's 800,000. You set your price at 500,000. Of course, wait down. 6 months maybe 7,000. Oh shit, my target is 500,000. Still a long way to go, right? So at first you have to observe, monitor the price. Here in spot trading, whatever price you want to buy, later I show you a live account, can just set the price. Let's say now 2.00. My target is 1.5. I put 1.5. When I put on 1.5 means what? If go down 1.5, bam, I buy the put. At the same time, I will set the target price, means how much I want to make. Just like 2, I buy 1.5, 1.5, I can usually set 1.9. 2, bam, 1.5. Boom, 1.9, bam, close. I make the 40 cents. Simple. So you do not need, and you are not required to look at the thing 24 hours a day, because you don't need to sleep, you don't need to eat. Alright, so here, no. You can just set the price, you let the thing do the job for you, just like today I'm selling here. So you see my account, how many 20, 50 account. So I don't care. So that is called method price. And why only 3 minutes a day? Because my method which I show it to you, you only require 3 minutes a day. Right? If people tell me, Jeff, what's up, Jimbo? I have to write. I don't even have 3 minutes to take them. Too bad. You get 3 minutes, right? What the time is 3 minutes? Anytime 24 hours. Means morning 8 also can, 11 also can, 2 also can, 5 also can, anytime. I said, I don't have also. Can. Once a week, 3 minutes got also don't got enough. Right? 1 week, 3 minutes got also can. Because it's got investment. They want something that you don't look at all the time. Like you buy property, you buy this fixed deposit, you buy all this. How often you check the price? I mean, never, right? I show here, I will show a method only in 3 minutes a day. Today we provide the Starfish Academy for this class only. I will provide, because of Starfish Academy owner, I will provide this course to you absolutely free. As long as you're interested. You say, don't check. Bos bạc, bos cần, the program là being and do that. If you are interested in Japan, I want to learn, not just to learn. Because here, my objective is not just to teach you, or I teach you all. Actually, my selfish, I'm a bit selfish also. Can I call myself a bit selfish? Why? I want to make you all make money, only then you can work the whole time with your friends. Agree now? And today I charge you 16,000. I don't think so. I think most of you will walk out. I charge you 0, help you to make money. I only want you to help your friend to make money. Then in this case, is it possible or not? Alright. So my Starfish, I'm selfish. Oh, by the way, I'm going to explain to you called Starfish. Why Jack used this Starfish as a logo? Starfish has a story. In Europe, there's one on the seaside. There are a lot of starfish on the seaside. And one day they say one of the kids, like 4 or 5 years old, he went to the beach, take out the starfish and threw it back to the sea. But the starfish, you live on the seaside more than 3 hours to die. The starfish you threw it back to the sea. Then some of the adults ask you, actually, why are you doing that? Hey, there's so many thousand. Then the kids say what? I don't care. I'm one person. I try to save as much as possible. That's the essence of starfish. Just like today, what we're doing now is, well, later we all make success, make money. I want to do use our own money that I'm helping out to make. Let's do some charity. Good or not? So, we have come. We have come. We do charity at the same time. Okay. Okay, the return rate of a spot trading range from 24 hours per year to infinity. Why 24 hours? What is the 24? What is the exception of 24%? Okay, let me give you a guideline. Saving account 1% per year, fixed deposit 3%, life insurance approximately 5%. Unit trust they say that they claim 90%. Amarasa about 18%. I get minimum 24%, 3 minutes a day. But what about infinity? It can be higher than that side. 1 week I mean 10%. Possible not? Possible. 1 week 10%. Okay. So the minimum for this class only is USD 100. This one, when you invest, you want to keep yourself? No. This one, you only I can pay for you. Okay. Of course, after you pass my exam, if you complete the class, you have confidence. You try all the demo account, minimum 3 months. You say, oh yeah, Jack, I want just like her. Then put the money to yourself. I have no issue at all. Okay. Why 95% accuracy in spot trading? This is a very scary. A lot of people say this guy is quite skeleton. Wow, I'm seeing. Imagine no casino, everything casino. Lúc bỏ part tao để làm một tao. 哇，能使用，看多利，是吧？哎，here I can show you how. I can show a way, right? You yourself will convince. Convince by when you trade, and when you use a demo account, when you look at my account, I will give you my account, a live account for you all to see, to monitor. Right, so I want to convince you all. Right, after the everything, go back, you see nothing. How to convince you all? When you get a live account, which is my account, her account or my account. Earlier, remember, your munching, your fund. These two, your family. Okay, so because my method is based on statistic, 11 years record to see. Is it the price expensive or too low? When too low, I enter. High enough, I cabut lah, the profit lah. Okay, so based on statistic, based on history record, okay, based on money management. Just like I said, right, hello, ask him how small is the account? $10 US. Right, her account last time is what? Also $10 US. Cannot plan. Right. As long as you know how to manage your money lah. You don't manage properly, boom, you burn lah. You manage properly, you make money. I'll show you the account as small as $100 US, as big, so not so big, $3,000 US. Okay. Knowledge and experience. So my method is based on all these 6 elements to give you 95% accuracy. Okay, why Starfish Academy and Jeff Young? Okay, myself first of all, I have 15 years experience in stock trading. I'm an experienced master trader and speaker. So today when you look at me, it's not the first time. I'm not the first time stand in front of the stage. My class has peaked at 186. The people registered actually 300 over. So the hotel cannot occupy, it's too many, so I can take 186. That day they paid me, that was 8 years ago. They paid me one course one day for 15,000. I thought it's a lot of money. Actually, that's cheap. Why? The person, the organizer charged a person, each of them is 1,000. So they make 186,000, they will pay me 15,000. Okay. So I'm experienced master trader and speaker. Okay, and this is a worldwide business opportunity. You must understand. Today, when you know this thing, is it help you to make the money for yourself? I tell you, no. Why? Because today I said, this is Alibaba. I want to be Jack Ma. You, if you are success, you think it's viable, we grow together. How big? Not Malaysia, but about worldwide. Today can I online teach system online to Singapore, to Europe, to Hong Kong, China? Can I? So you must understand how this so-called way of money, employee, all these things, right? Investors high. Why? Ask yourself. Today you want to sell a rebate 11,000%. People tell you what? Oh, you know, only lah. Yeah, they put the money in. Right. So you have to talk about what investment here. So when you can invest, you must understand, can attract a big account, huge account. That's sure how 3 ways you can get your income, passive income. It's not one way. Also, what is low capital investment? You ask outside. If people trade forex for you, 1,000 US minimum. Yeah, about 100 or only this class. I used to be ranking top 15 in the world. Listen this to I'm master trader. I rank top 15 in the world. Invest in MX Finance. And I'll show you. You press this link, you'll see that they actually invite me to do seminar. Okay. This is my Facebook. My philosophy is simple. Spend only 3 minutes a day. Okay. No complicated technical analysis. If make money, contribute to charity. 95% accuracy, money back guarantee. Okay, this is some of my Facebook. This is my cert from MX Finance, the 3rd place for the competition. And then this, go to this website, the top master trader. This is me at the 15 out of 6,000 trader. Okay. So now what we do is do something more interesting already. Okay, let me show you. Okay, first of all, let's observe this all is account. Actually, it's actually then also here I have a lot. Okay, so this is my account. Your profile is my name. My account number is 10453585 equal to this number. See? So this is my account. Okay, first of all, you look at it. Wow, shit, man. If for the first time, wow, complicated. Oh, I'm talking. Oh, what the hell? Okay, now. Wow, so many things to see. Alright. So actually, this platform, you only have one thing you can do. Right? It's this. And you go to this new order here. You click. This is where you make the decision. What is this? Of course, now you look at just select stock Bitcoin. Bitcoin now the price is 9514.45 versus 9634.45. What is actually? That is the rate exchange rate, just like the money changer. When you buy, you set the price different, right? So there will be two price, and then there will be two color. One is called red color called sell, the blue color called buy. What is the consequences? If you click one of these, you click sell, right? You foresee this price will go down. If you check this price at 9,514, you click. If you drop down to 9,000, you close, you make the 500 different. Okay? So this platform can actually give you two directions. Just now we will talk about Malaysia share market, the only one direction. The buy, the keep. Khi cái chỉ có thằng người đưa đô của thằng agree nào? Here you can take back two direction. You think maybe Malaysia I collect lại tôi là maybe I chậm lại rồi. Can you short the market? You quite short means that you sell. Okay? You just click this one up, the price go down, you make the money. Why versa? You're going to click the buy. You click the buy now, it's 9634. You click the buy, go up to 100,000. Oh, you make the difference. Just like that. Second thing, this is called the volume. 0.04. The smallest is 0.01. What's the meaning of 0.01? You click either one of it, 0.01, 1 point of the movement only costs you 1 cent. Again, you put 0.01 as a volume, you click one of it, a movement of every single point only costs you 1 cent. 1 cent is big one, small one. Small, right? So that will show how I trade. So why I said 100 US dollar can trade? Because I can trade 1 cent now. 100 US dollar got how many 1 cent? 1,000, right? So of course now you compare it now, 1,000 cent. 1 cent. It doesn't affect me at all. Just like you are multi-millionaire, you buy a big property of 500,000, 400,000, 500,000, you pay the pressure now, you don't feel anything. Agree now? So that's why here, because it's called, remember the word I told you the term is called leverage. That's why you 100 can trade. Okay? You click this one, just decide to buy and sell. The rest of the thing is what? It's just for information. You don't know all these things I come here. Also not important. Of course, when I give cost everything, I'll teach you. Right. Now look at this performance. You see the price moving, right? This is online. Online is live and okay. It's not something that I did for style. I create this one. Okay. So just give it a simple explanation illustration. This is called the account that I have. If you put one account, of course I see what you want. I have an account. Okay, this is to show what the price movement. Of course, layman belum tahu lah. Orang channel boleh baca lah. This one zoom, the price go up, boom, go down, boom, go up, go down. Simple lah, simple. Right. Look at this one, right? This is the time frame. This is 2001 until 2020, 9 years record. So now you're an investor. Look at this chart. Wow. How is this one? Now it's at this price. Then you check, survey the market. Hey, how is Bitcoin now? Bitcoin good. All of people foresee over 100,000. So okay. You put 0.01 now, it's 9,000, right? Take your estimation now. Now it's 9,000, 9,506, right? You put 0.01, it go down all the way to 0. 9,500, it becomes 0. You know how much you lose? $95. which is approximately 400 ringgit only. The 400 can back up. Even though you do that work, 9,500, wow, that's a lot of money. If I go buy from house, 9,500 US dollar, don't have. But do you have 100 US dollar, 100? God, you buy it. You just buy it and you keep it. Imagine that. Now you put $100 in this live account, you click 0.01 Bitcoin. Tak mau tutup lah, tak mau tutup mata lah. 3-4 years later, people tell you, hey, wow, Bitcoin video. Video, tell me, oh, Bitcoin 过去了, oh my God, you make a lot of money. As simple as that. So this is the account. This will show you the history record. This tell you the trend, and this is the actually trading item. You call trade. Okay, two things: observe, trade, and history record. Trade is something that you buy and keep, still keeping. Whatever money you see here, positive, negative, is called float. Just like you buy property, you buy that property. You just keep it, you don't sell it. Some make money, some lose money. Do you make any loss or gain? No. It's called a paper loss or paper gain. Until the day you close it, you recognize everything, you still not lose money. Agree now? This is called trading. Buy first. How about history? Account history means something that is done. The property is, you make the money, you close that. So let me show you the history first before I show you the price. Okay, account history. Okay. Same account. This account started when? 2018, November 21st. How much? 1,000 plus 300. So my capital for this account was how much? 1,300 US dollar, approximately 5,000 ringgit. Okay. So all this thing is the transaction. Okay, the lot size, as just I told you, 0.01, 1 cent only. Both up. Don't be greedy. Even at 3,000, 1,300, which is 13,000 1 cent. I said, okay, 0.01. Just now am I behaving like a multi-millionaire who buy property 500,000? That's a substrate. It's market head of sector. Doesn't move with that. Okay now. So I could buy. To buy, I foresee go up. Remember just now the term sell is short, buy I probably go up. So I buy the price go up. 0.01. These are the things that I buy. For example, Amazon. Just now I told you right. Amazon right. This is Amazon. This is what commodity go. Amazon go. Amazon go. Bitcoin go. Bitcoin. Okay. Then these are the price that I enter. What's the price? Then I said this, I said stop loss, I said TV. This is the TV that I said. This I just put the price up. Green color means it hit the price that I set, it becomes profit. Now look at the last column here. Of course, very simple. You see the positive number means I make money. Okay now, remember, you see negative means I lose money, positive means I make money. Amazon. The first one is what? Amazon, right? 1 cent I make 158 US dollar. Listen again properly. I invest 1 cent, I make a return of 158 US dollar. How many times return? You go getting, you gamble, see, you put 100 ringgit. If you want the bet, how much you pay you? 100 ringgit, right? Bạc ơi chứ bạc nữa. So we what's bạc? US dollar. Okay. So you see all this thing is okay. Let's scroll down. Observe this column here. See positive. Okay, so okay. Here, all these things can click. When you click, right, it will sort accordingly. Okay, means now I click the time, it sort by recently. This is what today is February 20. February 20, I close 24 cents, I close 1.36, 2.16, 2.27, all this. Today. This morning, okay. And after that, this is 2019, well, February 19, yesterday. 19. A lot of small. Not too much. 71 cents, 71 cents, 71 cents, 49 cents, 36 cents, 31 cents, 15 years older, 1 cent also. So you must understand, I bet you 1 cent. I make 31 cents. How many times? You tell me. You bet 1 cent. I get 31 cents a return. Just like you put in 100 ringgit, you pay 3,000. See, very small. When at this big capital, okay, do I feel comfortable or not? Do I feel worried? Do I feel tense or not? No. And because of that, I make money. Then look at let's go down. Okay. So now you see, notice one thing. Okay. 3294. It was for what number? The sum was 1,000 plus 300, right? 1,300. Now become 3,294. The sum was what date? November 2018. Okay, November 2008. Today is what? 2020. So 2018 is another 2009 is
4 months.
16 months now. So 16 months. 16 months. Now my fund from $1,300 become 3,200 in 14 months. Now, is it better than mutual fund? Is it better than the fixed deposit? Is it better than a lot of investment? And I tell you, it take me 3 minutes a day. Okay? And also here, you can actually, the system will allow you to create a report, individual report. What you do at the header, you right click, you save as detailed report. It's not done by me, not done by me, it's my system. Okay. Okay. Double this account number 10453585.5, 1,000. Remember? Same account, right? So they will system generate the whole report of your account. It will tell you what you have closed. This one you receive daily in email. So everything black and white. It's not something that's go down, go down, go down. You go all the way down. Until the end. Until the end of the report, it will show you your account summary. Right. So, okay, I deposit 1289. Deposit. So my close profit, I close and profit at 2,000. So 1,002 plus 2,000 now becomes 3,294. Right. So almost change and more change. 16 months. Okay. This is what? This is my fund size. So will we accept this kind of investment? Will accept if you put the money, this is what happened to your account. Then, just now 16 months, how many times I trade? I trade 1,507 times. You take 1,500 you there was 14. There was 16 months. Each month I close 32 times. Okay? Each month close 32 times. So profit trade 1,423 times, accuracy 96.42. Just now the time, remember I told you? 95%, bro. 1,507 times I trade, I won 1,403 times, 453, and I lost 54 times only. So yeah, nice enough. Nice enough. 700刀了，1400个刀数找到 ，OK。This one, familiar? My daughter's name. Okay. The name of course I mentioned as a young Machin. 74000649. Okay. This is the this is some history. This account was 2019 December 9. How much? 700 US dollar. Okay. Of course you put the Malaysian ringgit. 3,000 plus. Okay. So December 2009. Now is what, February? 2 months. Yeah, 2 months. 300. Okay, that comes 166. Right, okay, because a lot of information. So I will do the same thing. I will right click, save the bigger report, so you can see the performance of this account. Okay, yang wajib, save, 700 US dollar, December 2009. Okay, just go down all the way to the end. Okay, 700, 365, not 1066. The chart. Total trade 368 times, I won 367 times, I lost only one. Accuracy 99.73. Good. Give a clap. My kid is not this account, more than that. Right. How I split her account, you know how? When I make this money and the profit money, I open another account. I open another account. This is the fastest compounding interest. Compounding. Right. Okay, so this is how I can do by using my method in trading various types of trading, not purely currency. It might be share, it might be whatever. For those who say, I don't have time, I'm scared. I just want to invest. You just buy and keep the Facebook. If I get the Facebook, Amazon, see actually what account. Actually what account. Okay, this one my Vietnam member. Okay, now he work in Europe, make a lot of money. He give me this money, let me invest. Okay. Okay, 209, July. So it's 5 plus 7 months. 7 months, right? 1,000 plus 2,000 US dollar, total 3,000. Okay? 5 months, Alright, now 4654. Actually, an interesting thing is what here is. You see that? All Amazon. How many times I check how much money I make? Amazon only. Amazon. Bitcoin. Whole section with Bitcoin. Facebook. FB stand for Facebook. McDonald, MCD stand for McDonald. MSFT stand for Microsoft. Microsoft, there's the index. Alright. See, isn't it? One platform, you can buy 5 items. Of course, it depends on how you like. I tell you the easiest way for investment is just the one and pay and someone has money to invest, it's just for money. You buy this Amazon, Facebook, Google, and McDonald's, KFC. Itu saja mana? Seriously. Am I good in business? I'm good, but not too good. Are you yourself good in business and be an owner? No, we are not. But can you tell me Amazon is not a good company? Why put so our hard-earned money invest in ourselves, run a business until collapse or until fed up? Make it simple lah, just put the money into that. So means what? Now I'm not telling you to trust me. No, don't trust Jeff. Jeff company also almost bankrupt. Can you trust them or not? Why that Jeff? How many of that company in the worldwide in US? There are 5 major company. Biggest is called FAANG. First F is called Facebook, Amazon, Apple, Netflix, and Google. With these 5 company, you just buy the share. You create one fund manager. Put timing. Put timing. GDN open account. Just I don't have mine. Check what will help, what will CFO. But there was one day he saw one on YouTube. People say, hey, actually you can buy Microsoft, you can buy this Apple, you can buy Amazon online. Then she asked me, hey, check. Anchoby did it. Anchoby. They open a account for her. She only buy what share only? Shares most of the share and Bitcoin. How many months? 7 months, 5 months. 5 months. Okay, 5 months only. 400 now become 520. What she buy? She buy Microsoft, she buy Facebook, buy Bitcoin. She don't look at it. Just buy and kill. That's all. And also, I just now forgot to show you. When you trade this one, right? When the company declare dividend, they also give you dividend. You can just comment like this one. Come on. Dividend adjustment for Microsoft, $2 means what? Even though you buy 0.01 cent Microsoft company share, when they declare dividend, they also give it to you. inclusive McDonald's, KFC, all that, they also give dividend to you. So you get the increased value in two things. One, the price increase. Second, the dividend. Apa susah? Okay. So this is about my live account. Any question until now? Anything they want me to show you? Like I tell you this all 3 minutes a day. Right. Think of it. Isn't it one of the best products? And this is not JJPDR. JJPDR, Johnson Lin is my student. Okay? JJPDR supposed to be my platform. They approached me to accept. Because of the bullshit. So Johnson Lin take it. Okay? But what they claim they treat is this one. All under his account. His PC was hacked. People burst his account. Think of logic. What if I burst you burst my account, what do you get? You get nothing but you make money and win money, you pay the money? No. The better straight away for paying me money. Right. I mean so this is a platform whereby is the best way of doing investment. Because you can do at home, can do anytime you want. What property? Wait for the right moment to buy property. You tak tahu bila. Bila you tahu bila pun you tak tahu mana satu. Agree tak? Here I show you everything. Open the card. I can even give you my account so you can see in the handphone how I trade. Okay, so now closing time. Okay, so again, why the purpose of I having this group here? This will be my first group. For those who love this one and we think we can grow together, remember, I'm not showing you to grow your money, your own money. I show you how we grow together. First, after you learn, or you have friends who want to learn, one person 1-to-1 is 5,000. Anyone of you refer to your friend here, 5,000, 30%, 1,003 is yours. High commission. Okay? After they pay, two things will happen, or three things. What after you learn, totally learn, nothing happen. Second possibility, I know it, like start to put money trade. When you put the money trade, do you make money now? I also make money because there's a spread money. Okay? That money also can share with you. Third thing, I don't know how. I look at number and get it. I check, you trade for me, cannot, you can. I charge person 20%. Means that just now I make 1,000, for example, 20,000, that person will pay me 200 US dollars. Or 230% is yours. Without doing anything. Think of it, now this is what happened. This is what happened between me and MLM. MLM, you find downline to find downline. Otherwise, no payment, no commission. Agree that? Like the people here, when they don't trade, if they put me, let me trade, I tell you, 60% of them, seafood trade are better. Right? They don't mind to pay me 50%. So every day, I generate repeat sales for you. That's how I see, I'm going to trade. That's why she's here. Right? She's one of the, like example. Right? Her is a bit unique. Oh, she doesn't I tell you. She kind of live it up. Forex. Right, she kind of do Forex. Okay? At the beginning of us, you make then you lost a bit. But why? Accumulate experience. Right? And now we have two of us have competition.
Yeah.
Right? Well, so it's fun. Of course, it depends which category you want. Now go back. Okay, so you get a person to attend the course, you take 30%. And this price, you take 30%. Any profit made for them, right? 20% so yours. Subsequently, if my name is up, I'll tell you. Okay, let's say one class minimum 5 to 10 people, one person 1,500. If 10%, 15,000, 5,000 is yours. Right, so that's why I said, until now, am I asking you all to come up any money? No. Zero, right? Okay. So with this 5,000, if you get this 5,000, you can either spend it as own pleasure, I don't care. You buy whatever, it's okay. Or you can put the money in put the account for me. I don't need easy money. But after we do nothing, you got account for yourself to show to people, to attract more your friends, or you keep it as your own investment. You decide. Because I strongly believe one thing, you show people result, right? without telling people put their money. Agree or not? But you show a lousy result, people don't bother. Right, but you see this mirror. How many people in the world they greedy for money? This is a fact that we cannot deny. Agree or not? Money game, you see, money game. But they boleh lah, cik boleh lah. Money game tak boleh cik sepatut tu. You know my cousin, Chun Kit. You know this person, this Chun Kit come to my workshop, change the tire also. Hey, 最便宜哦 the cheapest one got China. Like put my market, how much you know? What they lost? $500,000 they put. This person has no money. So this is what happened in the world. So this is the best platform that you can show people. And this is not some other people's name. I'll show you like Jennifer Jennifer Lopez. You know Jennifer Lopez, right? No, don't go fun. Don't mancing. I have people here. Alright, so after that, next thing we go on social media. This is about social media, Facebook. You put the courses you're interested, you click it and go to a link, you put a particular, then come here, right? You also can use that method. Right. This one today I'm going to record, go to YouTube. I'm going to push my name. I'm going to the market. One market, if I have the name, 1,500 to 5,000. 5,000 person become 15,000. This all the market trend. Like Adam Khoo, you know how much? Yes, it's all the price. So with all this growing price, all this growing number of people I'm talking about, we become somebody. And of course, the last thing I'll talk about is charity. Right. So I'll take all the money that I collect, 5% open account. I open a live account. And this account I'm going to declare to do all charity, including all the money I collect here and there, everywhere, 5% go to this. I trade and make it big. With this compounding interest. Can this account become million? Yeah, one of these days, if 5% here and there, of course, the bigger the fund, the bigger I trade. It won't be 0.01 anymore. I trade now become million. We use this money, we build school, we build hospital, we do charity, we do whatever you want. But we do together. That is my biggest dream. Because I believe myself, why I live in this world, there must be a purpose. And today I tell you my purpose, I want to do a charity, I want to do a multi-million-dollar charity. I'm not talking about 1,000, 10,000 years old. No, I'm talking about $1 million charity. I think with this method, if we run it properly, I think it's possible. Agree now? I just now, last thing I think I want to see $100 also can. Right. So the pressure can be as small as $100, maybe infinity. Yeah, so I told you that you want to do investment, you want to do saving simple. If every month we keep, let's say, 200 ringgit, enough. 200 ringgit, this account you buy another Facebook or Microsoft account, you buy two. Next month another 200, you put it, you buy two. You can keep this company share, Microsoft, Facebook, Amazon, right, for the next 5 to 10 years, I see. Crazy, okay? Because don't think that, oh, now I still got the chart, Amazon too expensive, Facebook too expensive already. I will die one. Like remember that told me? Right. Say, oh, Facebook this and that. No. Because why? They are too big. You know who bought WhatsApp? Any idea who bought WhatsApp?
Facebook.
Huh? Facebook. You know why? Facebook, I have money. And this bloody WhatsApp start to become a threat to me. Right? It becomes start to be more popular, you know. So Facebook had two choices. First, I create my own WhatsApp and fight with this WhatsApp. Second, I buy over your company, we exchange share, now get bigger. So for this company, you don't want to follow, why are you following? I'm not telling you to buy Maybank, I'm not telling you to buy DNB, I'm not telling you to local share, those to me, they can be collected anytime they want. But this company, Amazon, they don't want operating system, one software only, one operating expenses. You people for run the business. You know what is killing us, businessmen? Overhead expenses, rental, no, salary will kill you, you know. This one got what? Expenses. One software you modify new version tomorrow, you launch the new version, all people pay you money. Like Microsoft. Right, that's what version 10. Oh, version 11, you buy. So if this is a company you don't want to invest, tell me what you want to invest. 10 years. Right. So currency, as you know, last time I buy USD, CHF, USD versus boom. Now, you see, start to go to Euro USD. Why is low enough? Start to collect. Is it lower? No, but plenty one cent. Come on. You dare to go back, dare to buy. But when in reverse, you make the money. That's why I say conclusion. I tell you, you only require 3 minutes a day. But after you learn the knowledge, do not do it without learning the skills. And for this platform, I offer you all, learn from me, zero cost. I charge you zero. I only have one condition, follow my method, make money. Right, because I need you all testimony to tell your friends. So this is how I can grow my business. It's a word of mouth. This is a live testimony for your own, not rebate on YouTube. Your own account, my account, all this is a live testimony. Right. So this is the next activity. Later you all have to go back and think of it. Will ask you, interested, not interested, just tell me, no force. Okay, don't give a pressure on yourself. I hope you Jeff, Jeff face. No, because do it for oneself. Because one day the success, go to the Alibaba Jack Ma story. Shit, man, last time I should follow Jeff Yong. Now he becomes somebody. Right. Because people ask me, Jeff, have you failed before? Yes. I've tried the past 15 years. Why I'm so good? Because I failed so many times, I tell you. I've failed, I still persist, I still insist. And that's made me good today. Agree now? You must understand it's not people make failure. They are failure. They are good because they make the failure. Failure is a lesson. Failure is not something bad, you know. Of course, people say failure is bad thing, but actually failure is a lesson. You want to learn to become better. I have 15 years experience. And the first time I played, I'll tell you my experience. I trained for 3 days and 3 nights. 24 hours a day for the next 3 days. I eat, I sleep, I shit at my office, not as the diet there. Obsessed. Oh my God, how? At the end, I lost a few $100,000. Seriously, this is an actual case. But 避開嘛，避開冇技巧嘛，都頂招嘅，你冇呢個困個好，我還少咗，我睇bigger. When I make few hundred, when I lost so few hundred. When the market crash, bam! Oh my God! But that's why, because of that, I won't teach you this thing. I tell you how to avoid. So you save a lot of money when you go through. So actually, my cost is not $16,000. It cost me a few $100,000. No. Right. Also, it's not just for your benefit. It's for us to grow. I want you all to grow with me. The next thing. The next finish, then we start to approach, get the social media, approach people, maybe all this thing. Whoever follow me, follow. You follow me, you all let me know what you do, 30%, take it. Some marketers in Malaysia, and go people, KL. If once my name increase, tell won't charge 1,500, it become 5,000. One person, 15,000. Easy money now. The last time my photo, my class 186,000 people. One person change whole lot of parts. 186,000 per day. Not reading, people just listen to what I say. I'll make 186,000. If the 30% is yours, 50,000 will take it. I don't care. You know why? It's not my money from the sky. Right. But I want you all to run. Why? Do something. I do that. They put home. They want to do what? What I will see Korea, can you die for it? Take. Want to do something? I think myself that I'm a Lipunong, I can be better than Lipunong. Take. Because I believe one thing, we grow together. No point that I grow so much and you all stay there, no fun. Grow together, so you all decide what you want to do, follow me just to learn is fine also, no cost. Or learn or train with me and grow with me, run with me. Then after that, then you can go overseas one. So you can all have chance to travel overseas. Right.
And carry back for you lah.
Huh?
Carry back for you.
Last time they used to follow me. When conduct courses, can ask David. 186 people I conduct from morning 8 until 9 p.m. 13 hours. No people want to go back. What question? I said finish the car before. Okay, I have to take them. So this is the briefing. Actual cost actually is between 3 days, 2 nights. From beginner until advanced. So but here, so after you read, then next section is just sit here and start to teach you all how to set up all this thing. Again, trust me, you really scared of losing money. This time I set up a demo account. What's the demo account now? You trade the live account, live market, but here's the patience money. You make money, nobody give it to you. Don't ask me, I will get money. The demo account give you money, impossible. But the good thing is, right, you lose money also, you don't need to pay. But it's a live account, so you can actually feel it, try it. So that will give yourself own confidence, not me to explain to you. Like we later ask you, hey, check hole, you get hole lah. Check hole. 你这是头啦，可是那些去不了成嘛，那去不了。那像你好，你话，这个是头咯，你大家着唔着嘛？这个是头咯。喂，着啥好咯？我只個頭咯，乜知？Right. So this is different. This is something that is in your head. Every day you look at it. It's not me, okay? It's every day you look at it. Right. Good or no good, you decide. So who can give you this assurance? I can. You give my account. I don't know how to follow my trade. Also possible. Especially if I just buy one, as an example, I buy $1. Let's say 80 cents. You buy 80 cents cheaper lah. Why not? Safer ma. So this is a lot of advantage. I can even send signal out, tell you when to buy, what to buy. Also can. You look at it, simple. You know how many things you can trade there. Just give a illustration. Just a currency and how many packs? It's all different currency pair. More. This is more currency. Metal. CFP is where you can buy the share. Apa yang study which share you buy? Apa tadi saya AAPL? Commercial tak? Company? Apple, Facebook咯, Federal Express. This is China Zhongxin. AIG, Amazon, Bank of America, and the option. You can do those studies you want. Those studies education will really potential, I hope. But to be remember how much capital you have. Another thing, I think of better stuff. I tell you, you put $100, what if it doesn't go up and go down? Or you almost run out of money. Do you feel pain, right? Top up another 450 ringgit. If answer yes, then too bad. Right. Because I'm telling you, you're using your own saving, your all saving, maximum 10% of your total saving. Put in here. Can that not? That's what I'm telling you. Put 100,000 là để chuẩn bị xe là kéo luôn là tem không giống gì thì nó bây giờ chắc là hồi đầu tem lắm thì bỏ là relax. Slowly, gradually, you will increase the capital. And also whenever you get people inside, they come out of mind and they take your cut. Automatically, it repeats sales, daily repeat sales. I tell you, guaranteed is daily repeat sales. Why? Because I check. So for us who's reviewing, consider do two platform at the same time, but not also can. This one no one prefer reviewing also can. Prefer bank also can. Do together also can. Whatever. Because why the people sitting here all passive income. Otherwise that's working time 做假咯，到時佢係踢隻公話。 Right. So they say, oh, looking for passive income. 非在职收入. Right. So what have to do one? Of course, some people say you focus better. If focus better, okay, to focus. Sometimes, hey, I can do it. I just, you know, we have to make living, you know. We cannot just talk and talk without any income, you know. Right? And especially this is also called passive income. Exactly the same passive income I'm talking about. Passive income, passive income. What you doing? Trust me, leave it to me. Account under your name, and account is on my hand, I check, you see. Also can.
Chef, are you bringing?
Can. Take a break.
Like India.
Take a break.
Over that side, huh?